Hello class 2. Good afternoon. So class 2, in our previous class we have done one exercise of page number 37 from chapter number 6. Okay. So the same I will repeat here in the video class also. Okay, because that day I had told that if you have any doubt regarding any answer, you can follow the video classes. Okay, the same you will get in the video classes. So what you need to do, you need to open page number 36 from chapter number 6. Page number 36 from chapter number 6. Now I will make you understand what has to be needed in the exercise. Okay, and that too, this exercise, see, this exercise I have left in the live class, that I will get it done through the video class. So the same we are going to do today. So what is the question? The question is, rewrite this story, replace the words in color using pronouns. This is the question. So, you have been given a story about a lion and the mouse. The same we have to rewrite. That means we have to change the noun to pronoun, and all the nouns that has to be changed are in red color. Okay. Before starting the exercise, I want to make you clear that although we have been studying it that the animals, if there is anything or any animal we use it. But if it is a story, अगर कोई story है और कोई animal उस story का character है, तो आप animal को gender wise pronoun दे सकते हो. Like in this story, the character is the lion, and all of you know that the lions are male. So we can use he for the lion in this story. This is the difference. If it is a story, then the characters can be given he or she as pronouns. If it is a story and the animals are the character, if they have to play the main role, then we can give he or she according to the gender. Okay, so the same I am going to do with this. In this story, the lion, I am going to give him the pronoun he, because in this story the lion is the character. Okay, now let us read the story, and we have to change the noun to pronoun. So I am reading out the story from my book. It is here given. The lion, the mighty king of the jungle, was sleeping peacefully. All the animals were afraid of disturbing the lion. Suddenly, a tiny mouse lost his way and bumped into the lion. The lion was very angry. Who disturbed the lion? The lion shouted. Forgive the mouse, O king of the jungle, the mouse squeaked. The mouse can be of help of the lion one day. The lion laughed. Ha ha ha. How can a little mouse help me? Now go away and don't come near the lion. Okay. So here the lion has been used so many times. So according to the situation, we have to change the pronouns. We have to change the nouns to pronouns. So here in the first line, the lion has been used for the first time. So we will leave it. Okay. So the story will be as the lion, the mighty king of the jungle, was sleeping peacefully. All the animals were afraid him. All the animals were afraid of disturbing him. Suddenly, a tiny mouse lost his way and bumped into the lion. The lion was very angry. Remember that we have to change only the words in color. The lion was very angry. Who disturbed the lion? The lion shouted. He. Here you have to write he. I am using the color blue. Okay? He shouted, "Forgive the mouse, O king of the jungle." The mouse squeaked. The mouse can be of help to the lion one day. The lion laughed out, "Ha ha ha! How can the little mouse help me? Now go away and don't come near the lion." Okay, so here is the story. Once a lion was sleeping and suddenly a mouse came and bumped into the lion. मतलब lion से वो टकरा गया या फिर लायन के ऊपर वो चढ़ गया. Okay, so लायन को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. He was very angry and then he asked angrily that who disturbed me. So the mouse said that please forgive me. Someday I will help you in a way or other. मैं किसी दिन आपके काम आ सकता हूँ, इसीलिए आप मुझे छोड़ दो. तो लायन हंसने लगा, तुम मेरे क्या काम आओगे, है ना, और कहा कि चले जाओ और मेरे पास मत आना. Next is one day a hunter laid a net in the forest and the lion was caught in the net. एक दिन एक hunter आया. Who is a hunter? Hunter means one who catches animals in a net. जाल बिछाते हैं और animals को उसमें पकड़ते हैं. They are called hunter. So what did the hunter do? He laid a net in the forest and the lion was caught in the net. That means here we have to write it. And the sentence will be as, one day a hunter laid a net in the forest and the lion was caught in it. The lion started to growl in anger. The lion. Here you will write he with capital H. He started to growl in anger. वो गुस्से से और चिल्लाने लगा. Somewhere close by the mouse heard the lion's roar, and nearby the mouse was there. Okay, and he heard the voice of the lion that he was roaring. Somewhere close by the mouse heard the lion's roar. The mouse quickly rushed to save the lion, to save him. उसे बचाने के लिए वो जल्दी से वहां पहुंचा. Don't worry, oh mighty lion, the mouse will save the lion. The mouse said, soon the mouse. Here also we can take mouse as he. Or here it is not specified that it is a male or a female, so we can use it also. It bit the net with sharp teeth and write it so that I could scroll. Is it visible to you? All animals were afraid of disturbing him. Suddenly, a tiny mouse lost his way and bumped into the lion. The lion was very angry. Who disturbed the lion? He shouted, "Forgive mouse, O king of the jungle." The mouse squeaked. The mouse can be of help to the lion one day. The lion laughed, "Ha ha! How can the little mouse help me? Now go away and don't come near the lion." One day, a hunter laid a net in the forest and the lion was caught in it. He started to growl in anger somewhere close by. The mouse heard the lion's roar. The mouse quickly rushed to save him. Don't worry, oh mighty lion. The mouse will save the lion, the mouse said. Soon it bit the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Thank the mouse, little mouse, thank the mouse, the little mouse said the lion. The lion and the mouse became friends after that. So here we should write THEY, they. So here this exercise ends where we have to write pronoun for every colored noun. जितने भी colored noun थे वहाँ पर हमने pronoun लिखा. Now the next exercise, as it is done in the live class, then also I want to repeat it. Okay, so that you could get a more exercise of the questions. So here I am just reading out the answers. Okay. Number 1. How are you this morning? Here 2 words are there. You have to choose only one. So I am just reading out the answers. How are you this morning? Please help me complete my homework. Number 3. Tuvina and I are going to Resham's birthday party. She invited us to her house. Number 4. The new boy in our class lives near your colony. Do you know him? Number 5. Can you lend me your book for today? Number 6. Radha is my good friend. I will bake a cake for her. Number 7. Soham and Sunil are good singers. I love listening to them. Number 8. You dance well. Who did you learn it from? Number 9. I got 3 comic books. I was reading them to my sister. I read them to her every night. That day I have told you that it is read, isn't it? It is not read, it is read only. मैं अपनी बहन को इसे डेली सुनाता हूँ. So up to number 9 it is done. Only one number, that is the last one is left. Number 10. What is number 10? Number 10 is Tina and I are very excited today. We are going to the mall. Will you come with us? So this is the exercise on page number 36. Okay, and the A part, the story part we have done. Now come to the next part. The next is B exercise of page number 37. Thus also I will read out the answers. Here in the exercise you have to read these sentences, replace the words in color with the correct pronoun. So all the colored words have to be replaced with the correct pronoun. वहाँ pronoun तो है, but they all are wrong. सारे pronouns क्या है? Wrong है, and that we have to correct. So here at number 1, my mother gave I a beautiful hat. So instead of I, it will be me. Number 2, these are Sheila's books. Please give it to her. IT it. The answer will be THEM, them. Number 4, Rohan's father is a good cook. He, instead of him, you have to write he. He cooks every Sunday. Number 4, me like to eat oats and milk. मुझे oats and milk खाना पसंद है. So here you have to write I like to eat oats and milk for breakfast. Number 5, gives it milk every day. Number 5, one more time I am saying, Rimi has a pet cat. Instead of her write she, she gives, them की जगह पर it लिखेंगे. She gives it milk every day. Number 6, Samira has gone to meet Kriti. Them are planning to go on a vacation together. Instead of them write THEY, they. They are planning to go on a vacation together. Number 7, Ashok is a popular dancer in our school. Everybody knows. हर लिखा है, उसे him लिखेंगे. Everybody knows him. HIM. Everybody knows him very well. He told us. B की जगह क्या लिखना है? Us. He told us that he has just won the national dance competition. Now turn the page and go for number 8. Number 8. Our class teacher scolded Avik and said. Class teacher ने Avik को scold किया, डांटा और बोला, they are very naughty. Here, what you will write? You. You are very naughty. You will solve the extra questions at home. Number 9. Our teacher told we. Instead of we, write you as us. Our teacher told us that you as us. Our teachers told us that the school will be closed from Friday for summer vacation. Number 10. Ram and I are planning a surprise party for our mother's birthday. We will give her a nice sari. Instead of me, write I. Instead of us, write we. Instead of she, write her. So here your chapter number 6 ends. Okay, we have completed chapter 6 pronouns here. And now I will start a new chapter. And as I have told you that day, to draw any object, to draw the picture of any object here in the blank space. And why did I tell you, why did I ask you to draw anything in the given place? I will tell you now. Okay? Now see, that day I had told you to, what I told you on Saturday, that show me your pictures that you have drawn. And you should use at least one color. At least one color. So, here what I have drawn. So, my answer was, I have drawn a green tree. मैंने कहा था कि मैंने एक ग्रीन ट्री ड्रॉ किया है. अगर मैं यहाँ पर ग्रीन नहीं लिखती तब भी चलता ना, isn't it? Somebody has drawn yellow cat. One of you have drawn pink flower, isn't it? किसी ने pink flower ड्रॉ किया था, किसी ने रेड फ्लावर ड्रॉ किया था, किसी ने ग्रीन ट्री ड्रॉ किया था. So everybody of us have specified that we have drawn this and we have specified the colors. So why did we specify the color? We specified the color to give some information about the picture. पिक्चर के बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन हमने दिया था कि वो कौन से कलर का है. जैसे अगर मैं क्या बोलूँ कि I have a balloon, तो आपको ये इंफॉर्मेशन आएगी कि मैम के पास एक बलून है. बट व्हेन आई विल से I have a green balloon, मेरे पास एक ग्रीन बलून है, तो आपको क्या पता चलेगा? That madam has a balloon which is green in color. That is so described it. मैंने इसे describe किया, tree को describe किया as green. उसी तरह किसी ने अपने flower को describe किया था as pink. किसी ने इस cat को describe किया था as yellow. That means we can describe any picture in terms of colors, and when we describe any picture, that particular word becomes the describing word. So here the chapter is about the same, that how and by which words can we describe different objects or pictures. Different objects और pictures को आप कैसे describe कर सकते हैं. Okay, and those describing words are called adjectives. So let's start the chapter. Let's read out the chapter. In the yellow box, see, read these words: kind, old, loving, pretty, funny, smart. ये सब का कुछ meaning है. ये जो वर्ड्स है वो नाउन्स नहीं है, ये प्रोनाउंस भी नहीं है, लेकिन इनका मीनिंग है एंड दे आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स. सो काइंड मीन्स भला, ओल्ड मीन्स या तो पुराना या तो बूढ़ा, लविंग प्यारा सा, प्रिटी प्यारा सा, अगेन प्रिटी मीन्स प्यारा, फनी मीन्स मजेदार, एंड स्मार्ट means you can say smart with mind means intelligent. Okay, so all these are describing words. Now read these sentences which is given here. See, Ravi is a funny boy. Ravi boy funny है. Ravi is funny. So what is given here? That a boy who is funny. यहाँ boy को डिस्क्राइब किए हैं फनी वर्ड से. जैसे हमने इस ट्री को डिस्क्राइब किया था ग्रीन वर्ड से, इस कैट को डिस्क्राइब किया था येलो वर्ड से. ओके, likewise here the boy has been described with the word funny. Next is we are playing with tiny dolls. बच्चे, we are playing with tiny dolls. हम छोटी छोटी गुड़िया से खेल रहे हैं. This is a cute kitten. ये जो kitten है वो कैसी है? Cute है. So here cute is the describing word because kitten के बारे में बोला जा रहा है कि she is cute or it is cute. That is a big house. House को describe कर रहे हैं with the word big. And the last one is Leela gave me 2 chocolates on her birthday. अभी देखो ये जो 2 है वो भी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स बन गया. इसका क्या मतलब है? दैट काउंटिंग्स द नंबर्स आर ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. ओके, कोई देखने में कैसा है ना, उसका नेचर कैसा है वो वर्ड्स, कलर कैसा है वो वर्ड्स, और हाउ मेनी आर दे वो वर्ड्स. दे ऑल आर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. Now see here the words funny, tiny, cute, big and to tell us more about the boy, dolls, kitten, house and chocolates. These are describing words, and here the definition of the describing word is given on page number 39, and it is describing words are also called adjectives. They are called adjectives. Adjectives describe a person, place, animal or thing. So what is the use of describing word? That they are used to describe the nouns or the naming words. They tell us about the color, shape मतलब round है, rectangular है, triangular है, size means big है, बड़ा है, छोटा है, and the number of the noun. That I told you that the numbers are also describing words. So here I am ending up the class, saying you that in the next live class we will be doing page number 40 and 41. Okay, so class 2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.